The following program was produced by the United States Courts.
Magistrate judges play a critical role in the federal judiciary. Often, they are the only judge that defendants encounter in misdemeanor cases, and they are increasingly being relied upon to ease civil dockets in districts with heavy caseloads.
A magistrate judge is a judicial officer in the federal system, and our job is to assist the district court judges in handling the caseload.
They control discovery, set up procedures for handling the case, for motion practice, and they're selected strictly on merit.
Magistrate judges can do pretty much everything that the district court judges can do, except we cannot try a felony criminal case. We cannot try a serious misdemeanor case unless the parties consent, and we cannot try civil cases unless the parties consent.
When a magistrate judge vacancy occurs in a particular district, the district judges identify 5 practicing lawyers who have a high reputation in that particular district, and then 2 non-lawyer community leaders. And those 7 individuals come together to serve as a merit selection panel.
Now, these are the applications for the magistrate judge candidates. Remember, we can only recommend 5 of the top applicants.
And the panel can operate more or less the way that they decide they want to do their work.
They vet those applications, do their due diligence, talk to adversaries that that attorney might have worked with, supervisors, colleagues, and the panel tries to get a sense of whether that applicant has the temperament, the scholarship, the ability to be a good magistrate judge. And then they would whittle down the group of 60 to 100 to the 5 that get recommended to the district judges.
The magistrate judge qualifications are strict. A candidate must be a member in good standing of the bar of the highest court of a state, commonwealth, or U.S. territory. They must have been in the active practice of law for at least 5 years, be competent to perform judicial duties, and be of good moral character. A qualified candidate is in good health, emotionally stable, mature, patient, and courteous. They are committed to equal justice under the law and are capable of deliberation and decisiveness. A candidate must also be under 70 years old if being appointed for the first time.
You need to be fair, unbiased. You need to be patient with the lawyers and the litigants that appear before you.
I think humility is an incredibly important quality. Being able to mete out justice to the parties that come before the court in an impartial way.
We are supposed to sit high in a high chair with a black dress on, but we're supposed to serve low with people who are coming to the court for help.
Intelligence, hard work, honesty, those are probably the biggest qualities that I would look for in a magistrate judge.
The most, insightful thing someone said to me one time was that if nothing else, we expect you to listen, and then you can make a ruling. But you cannot just jump in with both feet and feel like you know the answer without hearing both sides completely.
To avoid conflicts of interest, a candidate must be unrelated to any judges of the appointing court, not currently serving on a selection panel, nor have served on a panel within 1 year of applying for a magistrate judge opening. If they are within the 1-year limit, the merit selection panel chairperson may submit a request for waiver to the magistrate judges committee. To encourage applications and public comment, all information received by panel members and the panel's deliberations must be kept confidential. Under certain circumstances, applicants may waive confidentiality.
One way that the process protects from the appearance of insider advantage is by advertising the position to the community as a whole.
It's written into regulation, and anyone who's interested in the position can go on the internet, find out what it is, and find out how to become a magistrate judge.
The merit selection panel's mission is to be open to applications from all those who are eligible and to give all those applicants full and fair consideration.
And if you have a particular personal relationship with the person, that member of the committee usually recuses him or herself.
It's not one person picking the individual. You have two completely diverse groups of individuals who are involved in the process.
The lawyers really are going to focus on the legal side. The non-lawyers should focus on the common layman concern. And when they see that there is some quality lacking there, they need to speak up and not allow the panel to be dominated by the lawyers.
Because we are often the first face that a criminal defendant would see, having a diverse magistrate judge body would certainly help give some assurances and some legitimacy to the public.
Our communities are diverse with people from different backgrounds, and when the court reflects that, the community has confidence that the court is a sound court.
We're not saying that you have to elevate these demographics above substance, but the doors of opportunity begin with the merit selections panels.
The federal judges in the United States rely very heavily on the work of merit selection panels in identifying for the court the very best people to serve in these extremely important positions.